Hi, this is Mark Wahlstrom, and you're watching Speaking of Settlements, a featured broadcast of the Legal Broadcast Network. Well, this week I've got a shortened edition of Speaking of Settlements, but it's announcing a very important topic and a series that we're going to be working on all of the month of February. And our focus is going to be in the area of structured legal fees or structured attorney fees. Now, this is something I think is going to have a tremendous interest both in the settlement community, with trial lawyers, and with tax professionals all over the United States. One of the greatest benefits of structured settlements is the fact that trial lawyers and other attorneys working on a contingency fee basis have the ability to structure their fees or spread their fees out over a period of years through a device called a structured legal fee. It's very similar to, although not identical to, a structured settlement, and it has many of the same attributes. It has guarantees, it uses annuity funding, but the primary difference is that it shifts taxable income from the year in which the case is settled into future years using the same annuity or periodic payment process that is so familiar to people in the structured settlement business. Why is this so important, and what are we going to cover in this series? Well, the most important thing is that under the current administration and current Congress, it is scheduled that this year income tax rates are going to go up and go up sharply for people who are earning more than $250,000. Now, I know that's an awful lot of money. It's more than the average American or citizen makes, but the fact is most successful trial lawyers very often top out above that rate. And if they get a big case or they get a big settlement, that money is often exposed to the highest marginal tax rates. We're looking at income tax rates of about 40%. You've got Medicare and Medicaid tax rates. You've got state tax rates that can be as low as 3%, or in some states as high as 11, 12% now. So structured legal fees are going to be a means to spread out and smooth out income over a period of time, possibly move you into lower tax brackets, or simply be used to fund other retirement vehicles or finance your practice and be matched up against offsetting years' deductions. It is an unbelievably powerful and valuable tool. There's a tremendous amount of misinformation and confusion among tax professionals and trial lawyers over how it can be used. And also, there's a lot of confusion in the structured settlement industry because each one of the life markets has their own underwriting standards and different quirks and benefits and twists to their product that make it difficult for any structured settlement professional to say with certainty that all products are treated the same. So what are the things that we're going to cover? First thing is with what a structured legal fee is and how it works. We're going to talk about the value of them in this series. We're going to explain why the companies are different, the features with each company, and hopefully we'll have exact information from each one of the life markets, make it available for you so that when you look at different life companies or different options, you'll know why some will write a standalone fee and others won't, why some will on a non-qualified or a taxable case do structured legal fees and others won't. Important information and distinctions that people should have in one spot in one place, and we're going to be providing it for you here on the Settlement Channel. And then finally, the main thing that we want to really be able to, as we get into the latter part of the series, is begin talking about retirement planning and retirement programs for trial lawyers. It's an important area. It's something that's not discussed very often, and the structured legal fee, the structured attorney fee program can be used to really bolster and improve retirement savings and retirement programs for a wide range of attorneys and legal partnerships. It's an important series. I think it's one that you're not going to want to miss. It's going to be going on all month, the entire month of February here in 2010. We're going to each of the life markets. We're going to have really accurate information, and we'll be bringing it to you and then archiving it here on the Legal Broadcast Network. So, shortened edition, just a preview of some exciting stuff to come. I want you to be watching for it. It's going to be something useful, non-salesy, and it's going to be great information for you, for trial lawyers, for tax professionals, anybody who wants to know more about this unique tool and how to utilize it. I'm Mark Wahlstrom. I'm the president of Wahlstrom & Associates. I'm the host of the Settlement Channel, and I look forward to seeing you again here on the Legal Broadcast Network next week. Thank you, and talk to you soon.